What's up, YouTube? It's your boy Seductive Souls coming at you. Got a pair of all white Air Force Ones that's been brought to me today. Do a little restoration on them. First thing you notice, that sole is yellow and dirty, so we're gonna get that knocked out. Real yellow. I'm outside so you can see the yellow better. And then they're dirty, real dirty. They got some scuff marks as well, so we're gonna do a deep cleaning on them also. Get them cleaned up real good, remove those scuffs. A few spots need some paint touch up. We're gonna do that as well. And then you look at the toe box, you got a lot of creasing, so we're gonna do some decreasing also. Get that bottom clean, all that dirt removed, make it look new. So yeah, I'll be back with the finished product. Finished product. I decided not to do the touch-ups on them since I'm gonna sell these for real cheap, but I iced the soles and did a deep cleaning on them. Came out pretty good. The soles are still a little yellow. These was real yellow, but I got it as white as I could. Did some decreasing. Some areas can't be creased because they're so far back. That's my opinion. Cleaned the laces, deep cleaned all the way around. Also cleaned the insoles. Now the insoles was real dirty. I'll do a before and after picture so y'all can see those, see how clean I got them. Real white. But yeah, Air Force Ones, quick fix, ice sole, decrease, deep cleaning. Cleaned the bottom as well. Came out pretty good. Like, comment, subscribe. Let me know what you think.